Yeah, it was more like that.
Hippies would have killed for this 40
Oh,
years
are you
ago.
kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
How come they didn't see it? They must have seen it. He showed some people. Can you turn it back to the way it was? Oh, look at that.
Tell me what you want. I'll try to plant it somewhere.
It comes out different on the camera, too. See?
You want some color, right?
See that?
Oh, yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah. Right.
Isn't that something?
That is so cool.
That's what
technology,
it does.
Man. Yeah.
The way it was when I walked. Oh, that's cool, too. Now, are all those frequency knobs he's got?
Yeah, I mean, it took me a while to figure out what he's got going on here, but he got a thing for a microphone input and an audio input.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you can modulate the wheel with the microphone. See the switch up here? It says audio or microphone. So right now we're on microphone. You know? And if I had music plugged into it, then the music would modulate it.
Right. The music would modulate that design. I've seen that, yes.
Yes.
Of course, and it does all these trippy... but you can make it be different. Okay, there's a different pattern. And it also goes from this red-green kind of Christmassy thing to a very contrasted, but with color. That's awesome, too, but it's not that one. It's like a blue and yellow one. Or blue and red one, but they're in bigger chunks. Yeah. Oh, is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
That's it.
And I'm trying to get it to beat against itself.
You're varying the frequency of an oscillator?
Yeah.
Which one?
It's just knob over here. You know? It's
the one on the bottom?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah,
oh, way over there?
Yes.
Oh, no kidding.
This one will give you the most dramatic effect.
He was always doing that. Well, turning some knob and going, watch this.
Yeah, look at the same freaking thing.
Always.
Yeah.
Hi, Liz. I know, it's a bright light, isn't it? That is something, though. And it's made out of a cardboard box.
Well, that's what he had. Well, you know, I mean...
That's what he had.
If you look at this thing, and what he had to deal with, I mean...
That's a little tape recorder motor, you said?
If you look... Yeah, it's a reel-to-reel tape recorder motor that he modified, you know, with the... With the brushes on the side.
The brushes are, that's what sends me.
He can feed power to the LEDs.
Right. A little mini generator feeding power to the LEDs. I know, because I changed those brushes at work. I changed those brushes.
Same thing.
But it's a little tiny one.
Yeah, but
what are the brushes made out of? They're carbon.
Continuous power to a rotating object. You do it with brushes.
Oh, brushes. Right. Armature.
That's what he's doing. You know?
Right.
So it's quite ingenious, actually.
And it's the same thing as the MG said in the elevator machine room. It's on a tiny scale. And he built his own motors and everything.
It's perfect deep frequency like that. It's like freaking...
And this is all analog is the thing. This is not digital. This is all analog.
It's oscillated beating it itself. You know, so.
It's a cardboard box.
Yes, it is. And if you look at the inside, I mean, it's still there's not much to it. Well, there is much to it.
You're going to back up this way a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. There is quite a bit to it.
Wow, there is. Wow. Yeah. See, there's the knobs, and there's the other side of the knob.
Sure, here's the main power supply over here.
Oh, yeah.
Here's electronics and all the filtering. And all the stuff that feed in. Well,
and there's the board down.
Here's the schematics. The big, most important
he tucked them all there nice and neat.
He left them in the box.
And there's the board down there.
That's right. And there's
it's just a breadboard?
Squirrel cage around the fan here.
The squirrel cage motor?
No, it's just a cage.
Oh, yeah, this? Oh, there. Yeah, that. this.
Because it's air cooled.
Yeah, yeah. Little squirrel cage. Oh,
yeah.
Look at the motor. That is This is all on the inside of a cardboard box.
Cardboard. That's why you can't ship it anywhere. Anybody wants to see it, they need to come where?
Is this the original one? But
Yeah.
with a different,
No,
the original
no.
cardboard
This
isn't on it, but
It's
this
the
is
one
the
and
box.
only.
From when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Gosh, how could it be this well preserved? It's
Because
like 46 years old,
It's
this
been
thing.
taken care of. I mean, people realize what it is, you know, and that's how things last.
But do you know how fragile that is?
Yeah,
That sign.
Oh.
He's an artist too. He's
Yes, he is.
always making some kind of
In color.
drawings.
Yeah.
Space tonalizer. Good grief, that is awesome.
But
The
this is,
Musichrome.
this is,
That's all the frequency of an oscillator you're varying?
varying the frequency, yeah. And, well, he has a few knobs here that do various things.
I know.
And I can't really read them, but I know what a few do. And,
Yeah.
And I know that
Yeah, it's hard to see it too when you turn the knob.
that's right.
I know.
That's right. But the one that has the most effect is the ones down the bottom.
That's what he was always doing, turning a knob.
Yeah.
Or sliding the lever.
Yeah, he's
That's
doing-
all he ever did, and wiring
yeah.
something. Jenny, listen to this. Missy, listen to this.
And this is like this. I think the second or third generation of this LED display here. Some of the previous work I have out in the breezeway that shows earlier attempts of putting these. This is well thought out.
Oh, sure.
You know, these,
I remember this from when I was little.
Yeah?
Except that's a new cardboard thing. The
Yeah.
old ones are.
yeah.
They were different. I remember he had the lights pegged in there all by hand. And at first it was just cardboard, I think, with Day-Glo paint.
Yeah.
We used to paint that paint. I meant to say that at the service. I can't believe I forgot. I was kicking myself
Yeah.
about how he did that. Yeah, it's one of my best memories. Like, we painted in Day-Glo paint this whole universe on the ceiling at Cabot Street.
Yeah.
It took him weeks, and I was so little I was sitting on his shoulders. But I was painting too, and we made millions, like hundreds of stars and moons and planets and comets. And these two comets that were in this perpetual race, they were side by side, and three pyramids. And the two comets were named Piggly and Wiggly, and they were always in this race. And there was a story for everything.
This is a good shot.
There was a story for everything.
Good everything. Yeah.
See how that's cool coming through the... See how it's different? Look what it's doing in the...
But that's sure that beat frequencies that's
Uh-huh, 'cause
that's
this
not
is-
really there.
Because it's two-dimensional, right?
Well, it's how the electronics is processing it.
Right,
But it's not
right.
right.
Yeah. It's still cool, but